Philip's been talking here at CAS about rapid prototyping. Hello, Philip.
Hello.
How was your talk? How are you feeling?
I liked it. I was a lot more worried about it before, but it went pretty well, I think.
And you've talked about, as I said before, rapid prototyping. What is it?
So, rapid prototyping in the hardware industry is usually a normal set of methods that you use, but in software, we are a lot faster than hardware manufacturing normally. So, we end up we want to build new stuff in days or even in hours, and hardware usually takes weeks or even months. So rapid prototyping is how you can build something to stand in for the hardware that you don't get, so that you can continue working on your software even if you don't have the real device that you want to use later on. So,
Which are the main complaints of the developers when talking about this topic?
so we are, as agile developers, we are very used to saying, oh, we need something changed, so let's just do that. Let's start now. And as soon as you work with hardware, you get answers like, we can do that, but then it will take a week to produce a circuit board, and then it takes a few more days. So we feel frustrated, and often I can see that that software developers don't actually understand why it takes so long. So I feel that if you start approaching the subject, that you both can get faster and can easily work, but you also understand better why it might take so long. So it's more about, we now have lots of projects that work with hardware, and we need to understand it, and we need to figure out how to work together with it. So it's a process that just started, where we start to work together.
Okay, and does this process only work for, IT people, okay, but only developers? UX people, designers?
No, one of the best hardware prototypes that I've seen, my definition of the most rapid hardware prototype is a big box of styrofoam. It's literally just a box, a cube. And the reason we did this, we used this, was to see how well, this was for a coffee machine, how well does this coffee machine fit in a kitchen? So it wasn't about software development at all, it was about user interface, user experience, saying, okay, if I put this box on a counter in a kitchen, is it too big? Can I see the display? There are buttons on top of the box. Can I reach them, or do I need to stand on my toes to reach them? So it's very much, a lot of it is about user experience, user interface.
Okay, thanks a lot, Philip, and have a nice time here at CAS. Thank you.
Thank you.